New just listed home, 2751 Gardenia Drive, Land O'Lakes, Florida, by Ashley Keaton from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 2,185 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, ceramic tile floors connect the spacious living room and dining area in an open layout filled with natural light. The kitchen features solid cabinetry and ample room to cook. The floor plan includes a main floor primary bedroom with soft carpeting and a built-in closet, while 2 additional bedrooms provide flexibility. These rooms are served by 2 full bathrooms, thoughtfully laid out for privacy and daily ease. The exterior is the true highlight, boasting a sparkling saltwater pool and patio overlooking the waterfront. This gem won't last long. Act now.